We live in such an extraordinary world. Around 8 billion human beings. And some researchers tell us that each one of us emanates around 70,000 thought patterns in a waking day. It's almost like we're creating this collective thought soup. When I tap into my true self, my original self, my spiritual essence, it begins to tap into the inner silence that is stored within me. This inner silence is a vibration and energy that heals, that nurtures, that restores and creates. When my light of self-awareness is switched on, I know who I am. Automatically I start to radiate a different frequency, a frequency of silence. And it's this vibration that starts to change the thought soup in the world. It starts to influence me. It begins to reach the material world and influence the material world. It reaches and influences our environment. It reaches and influences others. So why not offer your golden drop? Just as our collective thoughts have created the atmosphere in the world now, our collective thoughts of this silence, this pure energy, will begin to create a new world. Why not join us and add your drop of silence to create the world we all have in our hearts?